Welcome back to Colors Basics, Module 1.6. In today's class, we're going to be talking about Section 2. Section 2 is referring to this section right here that I'm pointing out with the cursor, where it just has the colors solid on the top with the dots running through the middle. Now, starting on the daily time frame, Section 2 is there to tell you what type of trend that you're in on certain time frames. So on the daily chart, this top section is going to be referring to the daily trend. The dots are also going to be the daily trend, and the bottom section will be the daily trend as well. So when you're on the daily and you look at section 2, it's going to have the daily trend on all three of these sections that I just referred to. On the 4-hour time frame, it's going to be the same with the 4-hour. So the top section, the dots running through the middle, and this bottom section are referring to the current trend the 4-hour is in. So with this being red, we're in a current downtrend on the 4-hour chart right here. As you move farther back, you can see how it was in an uptrend and then it went to a downtrend. When we drop down to the 1-hour chart, this is where section 2 starts to change and gives us even more information into our trades while we're taking them. The top section being red in a 1-hour time frame, the top section is going to be the 4-hour trend. So the 4-hour trend is down currently, and these dots moving through the center of this right here is going to be whatever time frame you're currently on. So us being on the 1-hour time frame, these dots are red, referring to it being in a current uptrend. The bottom section is going to match the dots going across. This is also the 1-hour. So the 4-hour is currently in a downtrend right here. The dots in the 1-hour time frame is an uptrend, and this bottom section is also the 1-hour referring to an uptrend. When we move down to a 30-minute, the top section is going to remain on the 4-hour chart. The dots are going to be the current time frame. So now that we're on a 30-minute, this will be the current 30-minute trend. And the bottom section is also going to be the 30-minute trend. So the 4-hour is in a downtrend, the 30-minute is an uptrend right here, and 30-minute also verifying it's in an uptrend currently. As we get down to the 15-minute, it's going to be this top section, going to be the 4-hour trend again. These dots moving across are going to be the current time frame, which now we're on a 15-minute chart. So this is the 15-minute trend. And then the bottom section is also the 15 as well. Okay, so the 4-hour in a downtrend and the 15-minute is in an uptrend. So anything moving up from the 15-minute chart, the 30 chart, and the 1-hour chart, you're going to have two different trend directions. That being the top section will be the 4-hour. The middle section is the current time frame you're on, as well as the bottom section is the current time frame you're on. Now, when we get down to a 5-minute chart, we're going to be getting three different time frame trend directions inside section 2. So this top section is going to remain the 4-hour trend. The dots moving across in the middle are going to be the current time frame we're on, which is the 5-minute. So the 4-hour is in an uptrend currently. The middle section is that 5-minute. So the 5-minute is currently in an uptrend. Now the bottom is going to be a 15-minute trend. So the 4-hour is in an uptrend, the 5 minutes in an uptrend, and the 15 minutes in an uptrend, right where we're looking right now. That helps you when you're entering trades because you're going to have time frame correlation. That meaning that all of the time frames are going in the same direction. So as you drop down to a 1-minute chart, it's going to be the same thing. You're going to have three different trend directions on section 2. The top section being the 4-hour trend, the dots being the current trend that you're on, which we're on a 1-minute. So 4 hour, 1 minute, and the bottom section will be a 15-minute trend. So the 4 hours in a downtrend right here where we're looking, this dot at this current candle is in a downtrend, and the 15-minute is in an uptrend. So as you're going through all of these different time frames, you're going to get more and more use as you practice with section 2, getting comfortable on how these time frames are going to change and help you identify what type of trend the market is in and what type of time frame. Thank you so much. I can't wait to see you in the next one.